Hi guys, nice to see you again. This is a third video that we're making about our audio interfaces. Today we're gonna talk about the most well-known interface. I want to just to make sure that those videos are not meant to introduce any new interfaces or any new devices that you never see. Those devices been on the market for a while now. There is tons of people who using them, and there is tons of reviews and unpacking videos on YouTube. This video is meant mostly what you can do or whether they are still good, whether they will work in my particular setup and maybe they will work for yours. So without further ado, today we're gonna be talking about unit which is Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. It's very known unit, tons of reviews on Amazon. Okay guys, let's unpack this guy and see what's inside the box. The box is very small compared to any unit that I was checking out with you. This is the smallest box out of them all so far. On the front you can see the picture of the actual unit. That unit comes in red. All Scarlett from Focusrite, they come in red with the black front and back interface. Here it shows that it's third generation microphone interface. At the back we have also picture of the front interface and back interface with some ideas what you can connect to this interface and how you can use it. In the front it also says that it's using USB-C to USB-A connector. It's capable to transfer sound bit rate 24 bit at 192 kilohertz. So let's open up and see what's inside. It's very simple unit. There is no foam or anything in the box. Once you open the box, basically on the top layer it says like your Scarlett experience start here, and it's showing you where to download your software. There is a link how to download the software and that you need to install so you can set up this unit. Next there is actual unit. It's packed in the plastic bag, and how I was saying, it's red with the front and back black. Then we have some warranty and basic safety information and instructions. We have a USB-C to USB-A cable, and that's it. There is nothing else in the box. Very simple. Take it out from the plastic bag and we're going to see how this unit feels. The build quality and all this stuff. This unit is actually very well built and very nice. It's metal, very nice color. It's kind of metallic color and not just simple red. It's like metallic, very nice color. On top of it you have the brand Focusrite, as you see it here, and on the front panel you have two hybrid connectors for your microphone, or you can connect one microphone and one musical instrument like a guitar or keyboard or something. Basically those knobs for the gain, there is two knobs for gain. They are plastic but pretty nice feel to it. And the volume big knob, it's feels like a metal because it's cold, so I doubt it's plastic. I think it's metal, but I could be wrong. And there is another knob for the volume for your headphones, the same thing. It feels like a metal, but it could be plastic, but way too good of a build for a plastic because it feels really like a metal. At the back, as you see, it's very simple. There is not so many connectors. It's black, but it's kind of like mirror like surface, so be aware of the fingerprints. And yeah, the bottom has feel like rubber legs or stands, so the unit does not slide on your desk or anything like that. So yeah, very nice built unit for 170 bucks. Let's see how does it perform and what it have on that interfaces, what buttons and what they mean and what they do. Okay guys, let's start with the front panel, what it have. How I already mentioned, it does have two hybrid connectors, input for the microphone, and by hybrid I mean takes 3-pin XLR connector balance, or you also can use TRS 1/4 inch connector. If you have microphone with 1/4 inch, you can plug it in, or if you have microphone with XLR connector or cable, 3-pin XLR, you also can connect here. They both will work here. Same goes for the second channel, is the same thing, 3-pin XLR or 1/4 inch TRS connector. Next we have here gain control. You can control gain. Every channel has its own individual knob. You can control gain for one microphone or for second, or for your microphone and for your musical instrument. Be aware, from all the units so far we were talking about, this is the weakest as far as gain go. It goes maximum to 56 decibel gain channel. It does have some nice features like instant button here. Once you click in and turn instant, it will do instant monitor, so actual unit will monitor your sound and you will not have any latency to your headphones. The second proprietary thing for Focusrite is feature Air, and that feature just gonna make your sound brighter and more kind of like wider, brighter and more alive. It's great feature for musicians or singers. Basically people like that, how it make their sounds or their voice sound. Next we have, and actually those buttons, instant and air, are go for both channels, like you have per each individual channel. Next we have phantom power 48 volts button here. If you're using condenser microphone and you need phantom power, you turn it on here. How I mentioned in another video when we were reviewing Moto unit, Moto M2, I said that it had nice feature that it has two buttons for phantom power per each individual channel. This one does have only one, and it's located here. Underneath of it you have the direct monitoring, and you can basically switch it, your monitors, from mono sound to stereo sound or vice versa. Next we have volume knob to adjust volume for your monitors. Another smaller knob, it's also volume knob, and that is to adjust a volume for your headphones, which you connect here to 1/4 inch TRS unbalanced connector. When we go on the back panel, it's super simple. There is not a whole lot of connectors. All you have USB-C connector to connect to your PC or Mac. This unit will work with both computer, Windows computer or Mac, and it does have two 1/4 inch TRS outputs for your monitors. Those outputs are balanced. That's it for the back. There is nothing else, no MIDI connectors or any other connectors. That only two 1/4 inch and USB. So yeah, very nice unit. Has some great features but weaknesses. So let's go talk about some specs and performance, and let's see what weaknesses are on this unit. Okay, let's go over the specs. How I mentioned at the beginning, the USB can push the signal at 24-bit up to 192 kilohertz, but it's also work with 44.1 kilohertz, 48 kilohertz, 88.2, 96 and 176.4 kilohertz. Frequency response for this unit is from 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz plus minus 0.1 decibels. Dynamic range for this unit is 111 decibels. Harmonic distortion is less than 0.0012%. Also it has have some noise EN minus 120 8 dBu, input level is 9 dBu, maximum gain, how I said, for your microphone is 56 decibels with the impedance 3 kilo ohms. As far as instruments go, for the instruments, if you're connecting your guitar, this unit has frequency response 20 Hertz to 20 kilohertz plus minus 0.1 decibels. Dynamic range is 110 decibel. THD, harmonic distortion, is less than 0.03%, and maximum input level is 12.5 dBu. Maximum gain again is 56 decibels and impedance 1.5 MO. So as far as the line for the monitors, when you're connecting monitors, this dynamic range for this line is 108 decibels with harmonic distortion less than 0.002%, and maximum output is 15.5 dBu. Maximum impedance is 430 ohms for those connectors for your monitors. The front connector for your headphones has dynamic range 104 decibels with THD less than 0.002%. Maximum output level is 7 dBu. Impedance is more than 1 ohm, so that's what it says. It doesn't specify exactly how far on impedance it can go. So that's it for specs, and be honest with you, the weaker points with this unit is headphones. Cannot dry high impedance headphones, at least in my case. I couldn't drive Audio-Technica, which were 460 ohms impedance. I have some problem to drive some other headphones as well with this unit. Another problem that I have with this unit is a low gain. It's only 56 decibel, and my microphone Shure SM7B required minimum 55 to 60 decibel, and when you push this unit on the maximum, it's introducing a lot of background noise or like buzzing noise. So you definitely need a cloud lifter to add about 25 decibel of gain to drive a dynamic microphone, which if you have one which is power hungry. If you have a condenser mic, not so power hungry, this unit will work great, or any dynamic mic which does not require that much of gain. Again, with this unit it will work just fine, but if you have that very power hungry microphone, you definitely need cloud lifter to eliminate that background noise and that buzzing noise from your sound. Like, I don't know if it's a weakness or basically just want that I will want it to have it, like the display, like other units had the graphic display where you can see the levels for your microphone or for your monitors. This unit does not have. All it does with the light, there is LED light behind those gain buttons, and while they're lighting up green, your gain and levels are good. If it starts lighting up in yellow or red, that's mean you clipping. You need to adjust and decrease gain or volume or stuff like that. So it does not have any display. But the good stuff, again, it has great features like instant monitoring, and that does have that future air, which increasing that brightening your voice and widening your soundstage, which it's pretty cool and I like it. So if you using just, or you wanted unit to purchase just to use to connect your XLR microphone and you don't need anything else, it's excellent unit for the money. For 170 bucks, excellent unit, work perfectly, comes with tons of software. This software, I can go really quick over what it comes with. It comes with Hitmaker expansion pack. It comes with 3-month subscription for Avid Pro, some tools for musicians, and it also comes with Ableton Live Lite version, basically unlimited subscription for your DAW software. It has tons of Focusrite plugins as a collection which you can download, some loops for the musical instruments like some sounds and stuff that comes with this unit. None of the other units had so many software included with it. This unit does, and that I think that's the best part of this unit, that it comes with so many things, especially if you are a musician. For me, those sounds and all this stuff does not mean anything. I'm not a musician. I don't need sound loops for like guitar sound or the drum sound or anything. I don't need any of this. But if you are a musician and you need any of those features, it's great to have. If you again have hard to drive microphone, you can buy additional cloud lifter to adjust that gain for your microphone, and it will work just fine. So also another scenario, you can use this unit if you are a gamer. If you buy that new Beacon Mix Create, you can connect your mic through this interface, your headphones, and connect it through the Beacon Mix Create to separate your channels, sound channels, create the loops and sound loops, which could be a pretty sweet setup for a gamer. Yeah, so it will be all for this video. There was not a lot of things to talk about this unit. I really like this unit. I really recommend it. If you don't want to go on the higher end, some mixers and stuff, you just need something to connect your microphone and go with it. This unit absolutely perfect. And before I forgot, there is another feature that I was mentioning as a minus on other units, is turning your microphone to mono mode. In most of the other devices you could have do it only through DAW software. It was so complicated. This unit is actually under Windows settings. If you go under sound settings and go to your microphone, you can switch there to mono, and you're gonna get that sound, if you streamer, sound to both of your ears and your headphones, which is super nice. I don't know why the other units didn't do that. This one does it, and it's very simple to do, and it works just fine. So I do recommend this unit. Is it costly? Do I think there is an option once you add, if you are a streamer and you want to add Beacon Mix Create and you have a high to drive microphone and you wanted to connect a cloud lifter, and also if you have hard to drive headphones, you will need to buy external amplifier. It can become super costly. At that point there is some other units which we're gonna talk in another videos, which comes with full bells and whistles like mixers and everything. They're costly, but if you compare those individual parts and combine them together, the price gonna be about the same. So thank you very much guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and hit that bell button so you will be notified when my next video comes out. I appreciate you all guys, and I see you next time. Bye.